Alright, well, you may have been able to hear when my neighbor Pete was chatting with me, but I did put a twist in these drive belts to let the T1 run real slow and forward today, and that was nice. I also was using a mixed fuel that I mixed myself that has a 30 weight and Marvel Mystery Oil in it, and that has helped the adjustment be a little easier because the oil content in the fuel mediates the needle adjustments, so you have a little more needle adjustment to get the fuel mix right. So that was good. We're still holding water from my water liner seal, so that's good. And we did run out of fuel in about 45 minutes or an hour, and there was that brief period I got it to run pretty quickly. And I'm still not entirely satisfied with the way this carb adjusts, the fact that I have to just pick a throttle setting and adjust it for that setting, and then if I change the throttle setting it needs a new adjustment. Is frustrating, but at the precision that these are manufactured to hit the price point, that's just a fact of life. I may consider buying a spare carburetor, and then I'll have two sets of parts, and either I will get lucky with the new carburetor and it will be more, the parts will fit together better, or I can then use the two sets of parts to mix and match and see if I come up with a better set of fits in the carburetor. So that might be my next move on the T26 here, but it still looks really nice with the new paint job, and I like that. So we'll see what kind of ideas we have for it next.